Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll study about demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Before going through our class, let us recall what we have learnt in our last classes. We have learnt what is pronoun, and in types of pronoun we had learnt reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun and possessive pronoun. So, a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Noun, it is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So, examples for pronoun are I, me, he, she, it, ourself, myself, herself, etc. So, we'll recall what is reflexive pronoun. The pronoun, when used as the receiver of an action, is called reflexive pronoun. So, or you can also say it in simple words, the action done by the subject reflects on the subject itself. For example, I hurt myself, we dedicate ourselves. Here, myself and ourselves, it reflects the action on the subject itself. So the words for reflexive pronoun are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, themselves. So now next we'll go for relative pronoun. A relative pronoun relates a noun to a group of words that follow. So it connects a noun to a group of words. For example, the dog that stole the pie is back. Here, dog is a noun. Stole the pie is back is a group of words. So, it is connected by a word that. So, it is a relative pronoun there. So, the words like that, which, who, whom, whose, when used to connect a noun to a group of words, then those are what? Relative pronoun. So, next we have learnt possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, it shows possession or the state of having. Possession means the state of having or owning or controlling something. In simple words, ownership. It shows ownership. See, my plane is delayed. So here my is what? Possessive pronoun. Your dinner is ready. So here your is what? Possessive pronoun. So the words like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, their, these all are what? Possessive pronoun. So now next we'll learn about demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that points out the object or objects to which it refers. What does the demonstrative pronoun do? The demonstrative pronouns, it points out the object. See, demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Okay, these words what they do? They point out the object. See here, this was my mother's ring. So here the word this, it is pointing out the object ring. So demonstrative pronoun, what it does, children? It points out the object. That looks like the car I used to drive. Here that, what it does? It points out the object car. So here that, it is a demonstrative pronoun. Next, these are nice shoes, but they look uncomfortable. Here these, it is a demonstrative pronoun. What it does? It points out the object shoes. Next, we'll study about interrogative pronoun. So, as you all know, interrogative means question, yes or no? So, interrogative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to ask questions. So these are what they are used to ask questions. So interrogative pronouns are what, which, whom, who, whom, whose. These all are what? Interrogative pronouns. When these question words are used instead of a pronoun, then it will be what? Interrogative pronoun. See here, for example, who won the game yesterday? Here, who, it is used instead of what? A person or a group of people who are playing game. So here who, it is what? A interrogative pronoun. To whom did you give the book? Here whom, it is an what? Interrogative pronoun. What is the color of her hair? So here what? It is an interrogative pronoun. So children, I hope you have understood about these types of pronouns. So as you all know, there are three types of person. First person, second person and third person. So first person, I have already taught you all. First person means one who speaks. So singular of first person is I, me, my, mine, myself and myself. So here I, the plural form of I is we. So the plural form of me is us. The plural form of mine is our. The plural form of mine is ours. So the plural form of myself is ourselves. So the plural form of myself is ourselves. So the second person is one who listens or hears. Okay, ಆಲಿಸುವವರು ಅಥವಾ ಕೇಳಲ್ಪಡುವರು. ಕೇಳಲ್ಪಡುವವರು. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು, ಯುವರ್, yours, yourself and yourself. The plural form of you will be, the plural form of second person will be same as the singular itself. You, your, yours, yourself and yourself. So next, third person, one who is spoken of. He is what? Third person. So third person singular, he, she, it. The plural form of he, she, it is they. So her, him, it. The plural form of her, him, it is them. His, her, its. It is third person singular. So the plural form of his, her, its is their. So next, hers, his, its. It is a third person singular. The plural form of third person singular is theirs. Himself, herself, itself. So it is what? The third person singular. The plural form of third person himself, herself, itself is themselves. So this is about first person, second person and third person. Next, we will study about forms of pronouns. In that, we will study only two forms of pronouns. That is subject form and object form. So, a subject form, a person or thing that is doing the action expressed by the verb, it is what? Subject. Okay, a person or a thing, one who is doing the action which is expressed by the verb, so it is what? Subject form. See here, I sing well. Here I, it is a pronoun and I, it is a subject here. You go there. Here you is a pronoun and it is a subject here. So which are the subject forms? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are what? Subject form. When these words, when they are used as object, okay, when they are used as object, so it becomes I becomes me, we becomes us, you become you doesn't change, it will be you itself. He becomes him, she becomes her, it doesn't change, it remains as it itself, and they becomes them. So, object is a word or a phrase which completes the subject begun by the verb. So, what does this object does? It completes the subject. Okay, it completes the subject begun by the verb. See here, he helps me. So, this me, if it was in subject, then it would be I. So, as it is in object, so I becomes me. He called me. Okay, so they called us. Okay, they called us. Okay, whenever you are using what this, you should not use he help I. You are not supposed to use I in the object form. Whenever you are using the pronouns in the object form, you have to use me, us, you, him, her, it, them. I hope you have understood, children. Thank you. We'll continue in our next class.